How to turn on live stream on Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on live streaming in Mobile Legends. Whether you want to stream for fun or gain followers or even receive donation, I have got you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, launch the Mobile Legends app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once inside the app, at the top right corner, you can see the camera icon. So simply tap on that and this will take you to the live page where you can see other players' live streams. So you can ignore the categories on the left because we are here to start streaming. But before you can go live, Mobile Legends requires Master Rank or higher and you need to be on top 5000 on the global leaderboard. And if you meet these conditions, you can simply tap on My Channel button shown in the top right side of the screen. And after tapping on that, it will take you to your stream channel. Now here on this section, you can see the option label live stream. So simply toggle it on and that's it. That's how you can turn on live stream on Mobile Legends. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.